Good morning, everyone. It's Matt Morey, the C4 leader, with another leadership quote of the day. I'm sorry for starting just a little late. I was coming from a training event, and I was helping out some people with their introductions and their presentation skills. So today, the leadership quote of the day comes from Andrew Carnegie, and the statement is, "People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents." Again, Andrew Carnegie. People who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. Andrew Carnegie. Now, this is a quote that reminds me of one by Calvin Coolidge that basically says that you must have perseverance, because intelligent people, people with talents, people with skills that don't have perseverance, that don't have drive, will not survive. They won't get anywhere. Now, that's not the exact quote. I'm paraphrasing, but you get the idea. It's the same with leadership. You need to be able to motivate not yourself, because if you can't motivate yourself, then you won't be able to motivate your team. And if you can't motivate the team, then are you really leading? So it reminds me of the statement made with Michael Jordan again, earn your leadership every day. If you can't motivate yourself every day, if you can't be motivated every day, then you will not be able to be the leader, and your team might be mediocre, but more likely it'll be less than mediocre. And the reason for that is because if you're not motivated, no one on the team will be motivated. And if no one on the team is motivated, nothing will get done. So again, this is Andrew Carnegie's line that says, people who are unable to motivate themselves must be content with mediocrity, no matter how impressive their other talents. Andrew Carnegie. I hope everyone's enjoying these. I enjoy giving them. I hope that there's a little bit of advice there that you're looking for. Please feel free to reach out to me, mmorey, M-O-R-E-Y, at c4-elt.com. If you've got a quote that you'd like me to share, or if you've got questions about leadership, project management, or your communication skills. As always, I am committed that you will get more with Morey. Here's to you and your team.